This video will describe how to modify the assignment calendars for your Track A and B courses. Begin by logging in to your tcadocs account and going to your drive. Then in a separate tab or window, log into the cart in Schoology. Scroll down and find your grade level. Expand the grade level and expand the Unit 1 folder. And then you should see the Track A and B assignment calendars. Let's click on the Track A one. You'll get a window that says Copy Document, and then it says, would you like to make a copy of the Kindergarten Unit 1 Track A document? And the answer is yes, so click the blue Make a Copy button. This will automatically add it to your drive and open the document itself. So verify that this is the correct assignment calendar. So in this case, it's kindergarten and it's for Track A. And there are 6 pages, 1 page for each unit week. In the upper left area is the field for the title of the document. Go ahead and delete the words copy of. In another tab, open your Track A course. So here I am looking at that kindergarten Track A course. Let's go ahead and link some math lessons. So I'm going to expand the Unit 1 folder and expand the math folder, and then the math Unit 1 folder. I'm going to actually click on the title of week 1 to open that in a separate page, and then I'm going to expand the daily folders to reveal all of the assignments. I'm going to grab that tab and drag it over here. So now I have the math lessons here and the assignment calendar here. So I'm going to right click on Math Day 1 and choose Copy Link Address. Now depending on your browser, the wording may be slightly different, but go ahead and click on that. If you're working on a trackpad versus a mouse, right click can be forced by using the keyboard command Control and then click on the trackpad. So hold the Control button down with one hand and click on the trackpad with your other. So I'm going to select Copy Link Address and then come over here to the assignment calendar. I'll highlight the heading Day 1, and again I'll right click, and this time I'll choose Link and I'll paste here. Notice that right here Google tries to guess what you're going to link to, but for the most part you can just ignore that. Paste the link that you copied from Schoology and then click the blue Apply button. And now when your families click on that, they'll get the link, and when they click on the link, it goes directly to that Math Day 1. So you can see how this will be super helpful for our families. Let's do another one. Math Day 2, right click, Copy Link Address. Back on the assignment calendar, highlight, right click, Link, paste, Apply, and then we can check the link. And there it is, Math Day 2. To link the language arts lessons, use the breadcrumbs up here to go directly back to Unit 1. This time expand Language Arts, Unit 1, and then click directly on Week 1 to open that up. Expand the daily folders to reveal the lessons inside. Here's Language Arts Lesson 1, Copy Link Address. Back on the assignment calendar, highlight, right click, Link, paste, Apply. And for the lower grades, K1 and 2, you'll have 2 columns, but they both go back to the same language arts lesson. So you can just go ahead and paste again here, Apply. So both of these links are going back to the same location. Now notice that for language arts, the lessons on the calendar are in the same order as you already dragged them to in your actual lesson. So since this is track A, this is the order of the lessons that they do for that week. So now when I come back, when I want to link this lesson 4, just need to make sure I'm linking the right lesson from in Schoology. So copy link address here. And copy, I'll link this one at the same time. And then I'll check this just to make sure I've linked it to lesson 4. And boom, there's lesson 4. So follow this pattern to link all the lessons in the unit for math, language arts, and history. No work needs to be done for science. For grades 3, 4, 5, and 6, the process is similar. Just note that in those grade levels, there are 3 columns for language arts, literature, writing, and language arts. And each of those columns, the lessons are linked to separate folders in the Track A and Track B courses. So there's an actual separate folder for all of literature and one for writing and another one for language arts. So I recommend that you do each of these independently. Click on Literature Unit 1, expand the daily folders like we did previously, and then use your same process. And I recommend just do all of literature first and then come back here, use your breadcrumbs to go back to Unit 1 and expand the writing, open up the week, and then go ahead and link these in the writing column and then do the language arts afterward. So each of those separately since they are all in their own individual folders. Once you've linked the assignment calendar, the next step is to change the share settings of your document so it can be viewed by our families. Look at the blue share button in the upper right corner here. Notice the lock. This indicates that the document is private and only you can view it. Click on the button, and in the pop-up window, click on Advanced. This verifies that the document is currently private, but we'll change that by clicking here. And then here we're going to choose anyone with a link. So this will allow our families to view the document without having to log into any Google account. Down here in this portion of the window, make sure this says Can View. And then click the blue Save button. In this window, verify that it's anyone who has a link can view. And nothing should be in here, and then click Done. Now the blue link button up here indicates that anyone with the link can access, no sign-in required. And you can just hover your cursor over that to check that on your document. Okay, the final step is to add the calendar to your course. So copy this URL here, simply click one time into the URL field, it'll highlight it, then copy. And then go back to your course, Schoology course, and expand the Unit 1 folder. Hover your cursor here so that the green arrow appears, or the green dotted line appears here. Click on it, and then select Add File, Link, or External Tool. In the little pop-up window, click Link, and then paste the URL here, and then add a title. So we'll add Unit 1 Assignment Calendar Track A. Then on this little icon here, click it one time and it'll say Display in New Window. Click Add here. Okay, so there is the assignment calendar, and when we click on it one time, it opens in a separate window. So there you go. Now your families can access the assignment calendar.